Abusuamene ukasai je Maame Akosua Serwaa emma de press release press statement abeto abonten ni nyina efa news a circulate o media no se emofra no ene omo maame eku na abusua enkura na tenase adwene ho ehun se bebia ade ne kekọ no se omo de krata ebeto abonten na media no obi ehun se sei eni sei na ekoso na susuan pa se omo ne omo maame eku a omo stiti ewo krata anim na afei se omo ne omo maame nso eni issue bia eno so omo stiti ewo hanom a ohwe krata na da screen so a ene family letterhead ene da ho press release ewo ho Ghana Accra date ni nyina ehye wo kama na hwe from no say from the children of Mrs. Akosua Serwaa Fosu and the late Mr. Charles Kwadwo Fosu into bracket Daddy Lumba, written by family press secretary. Inti we enye krata hunu bia ififi opay ena etimi aba. Was for on behalf of the children and the Fosu's family. Now let's get into the letter and see what is at stake. Now Oba Harma was saying, we, the children of Mrs. Akosua Serwaa Fosu and the late Mr. Charles Kwadwo Fosu, wish to address certain disturbing and misleading narrative currently circulating on social media. We are deeply concerned by the comments and insinuations suggesting that we are in conflict with our mother, that there are intentions to arrest her for speaking or writing on our behalf, or that there is tension between us and the children and our mother. These claims are entirely false, malicious, and baseless. Inti mepacho yemfa ehoni bi. O say these claims are entirely false, malicious, and baseless. They say baby abete sa ensem we bia no eye ohurudura ndasem no kra bia nim. Yento aso o say even more troubling are the unfounded accusations directed at individuals such as Kempong, who is being unfairly portrayed as having ulterior motive simply because he has offered support to our mother and to us, her children, during this difficult period in Ghana. Such allegations are reckless, misleading, and deeply unfair. We wish to state clearly, unequivocally, that our relationship with our mother is strong, loving, and respectful. We speak with her every morning and every evening. The bond we share is one of trust, affection, and unity. The suggestion that we would ever turn against the woman who carried us for 9 months, nurtured, and continues to guide us is not only absurd, but deeply offensive. Into anything the circulating media no be ano, and crying who say a misleading. The narrative behind it no crebianim. For those who are claiming some ameno and crying con wako forge signature Africa and crying pen anymore who and semi bra echoes in yano now and crano astity e hadoma watch say they are all false. And with the kinds of words and we use here, say there is nothing like fresh and B issue B echoes between them. Now, I'm gonna wrap it up and I'm gonna say we state this without ambiguity. Our loyalty is and will always remain with our mother. We stand with her fully. Bro, this part no, I conclude in seminar nyina. Almost we stand with her fully. It's whether ODO BRONII pomasem, whether ODO BRONII pomasem, whether ODO BRONII job also, whether whatsoever the situation is. Almost say they stand by their mother. Just read my lips. They stand by their mom. Every morning, almost frame Maame no ebisa abrewa. I want to say, dear Neko, and you almost have frame Maame no ebisa no, and almost more link Kempon say, Kempon ewo ada motive bi any a day and go di Kempon atem Kempon yere mu di o matem nyina ne na se for nyina no. These children say omuni obia any issue bia. Kempon is only offering help. He is only offering a helping hand to their mom, and that's it. Now, I'm going to say, it is painful to witness how some individuals fabricate rumors and spread falsehood purely for attention, clicks, and social media engagement. These narratives are harmful, divisive, and unhealthy, not only for our family, but also for the memory and legacy of our late father. We therefore urge the public and all social media users to disregard these rumors and refrain from amplifying negativity. Our family is united. There is no conflict between us and our mom. Any claims to the contrary are deliberate falsehood. Our late father did no harm to Ghana. On the contrary, he gave Ghana some of its finest high life music and contributed immensely to the nation's cultural heritage. It is deeply unfair that his family should now be subjected to distress and misinformation, and we stand firmly, proudly, and permanently with our mother. They didn't say they stand firmly with ODO BRONII. Me reading almost our mother, our mother. They didn't make any provisions anywhere for ODO BRONII. We stand firmly with the two wives. We stand firmly with our younger mother. Or say our mother, Maame Akosua. They stand firmly with her in all aspects. They are aware. They stand firmly with the woman. It's bro. Let nobody lie you say na ODO BRONII asafa omo wano aduane amomo diwa na bi. Enkra no na omo pepepepe yo na ompese eyi na ekoso. Ompese bibia koso smooth. Etina omo admit ni ma bibia process ni timi koso. Eti yesremo enkra na kasa. Omo wie na omo say, and we stand firmly, proudly, and permanently with our mother. May God bless us all. Signed, children of Mrs. Akosua Serwaa Fosu and the late Mr. Charles Fosu, that Lumba. And quite idea. And family secretary knows what you pa. You see, I had no also movie and say signed or sign on ODO BRONII Mr. Was say signed the children of Mrs. Akosua Serwaa Fosu / biani ho and omudo ODO BRONII ahye ho da bi. Omese nkwana na assign. Kwano na assign. Ti Mr. No divisive, no division in sa ne maniema no. Eti eno no. Now yenwa mu e wo this na yenkotie sa enkomo we. Na me ne okasa no Bishop JY Edu ababonten ababekasa ede afa legendary eye openia sebe oma nyamenyom eye akono ema ene obia etim etubia ye yansapon wabekasa ede afa ni wu ne ho. And I want us to go and take a listen to NSEMSEM JY Edu edebeto wabonte wabra woni Angel TV etimi edi nkomo yewi a na yato aso e ode side
Paya na metie so dabi wa free asori fie ho kakra sa bre na ne ho ye enu nchi na woda ne ma abusua sese dia ye hunhum di awie enti won kwa abusua ho ana
yo makura mamunchi wa stepon wa tiefo wa chichiru bente ngina edamase ma abusua ya ko ne emanyina ya ko entisa de tieno so na no hon to ni we say 2011 or yare unusual yare on paralyze and then we have the fire so that from 2011 only to 2020 I said I was saying yare foforo it's yare now 2020 ni na atitano ya na hotono timbe tunu mo tunu ye kakra se de ye bi shada pa na sa kana ho yeah, so but the man on me ye no be so tofa o mo pese on fa papa no do ko the doctor there no we so the material no as the bema so no mo do ko to ho no ma no se je o fi no ma de dia na lu ni and you know just say The bad say oyenya media.
Na Mr. Mibisa
you too fan to abonten. But I could be to my kind say. Bibia ina me asem ti sa na do me nyame.
Mr. Mibisa kakra ansa na magya wa moako. Wonum be fa no ko ye wo ka se ye de no. Minim se na bia bibiduro bi ka ho empaibɔ ne ka ho efise minim se ne ewo ni wo fa ya otie so ofiri wo kora anka mpaibɔ de eno de beta na chi eti de hin ne firi muo no ye se bibiduro kakra bi ta chire na asa humu de no
bibiduro ta chire humu de ta chire ya o se de bi do no abaye me honam bia enti omude no ko na wo twi minya kwai ko na mo brunya nti na se minya kwai wo ye fast me abentu me am ko fi o correct me ko re no so mitu ne ma no ne o momote no fo se ma so fi ho no ye wo no ma bibiri wo ha me wo lab technicians a lab wo ha ye hwe obi obabi ye hwe di mudi a hwe di ha no na ya sanwe bibidro special so ha wo buy bed no amount ya re no you ya bi wu ya say bi wo bibidro wa e bed no amount
ayo
na fi ye check no nurse for e be check ko pressure check BPR normal procedure for doctor ye ma
yo
into my father fi he ya mo de ko fi no ta no mo we ni ma check ya e me ya we ni check me ka chere mo play wo say no, Tina Salomon checking him statue because they have do baby. The pressure the course so I told you the pressure the course. I just said checking did that the other way to be a my nurse in Nicotian. Yes, I had the sugar also. I thought I cigar the course of I thought I said cigar the course. You no, that's a
any one.
I support to a bomb by a man or so. Yes, me because I don't want to be a bomb.
Yo, Bishop me. Yo, Bishop me jawa mwako na enoti wadi no te ansa no free mo.
Me will say we bought your support city where we pay only be o ka be ya do be. The Olami channel the Yamaya Bonamania, me call Robert 2 stars, me quires no more Bonamania. But few up at the locating me, so more Bonamania now, more Bonamania. Because they do not get the deal and the deal, more bad the other way. To a teacher, to a tired, there will be. And then they could do to wait the minimum confirms that about catcher and now man catcher. No one how they are Bonamania. As a 2 star, I'm a good feel for real also. Not on take.
Yo, Bishop, ma yenna wasi.
Abusanti ensem na unya bia wuti na me ne wo kasa yi. Opania ne din e de odifo sikadwa. Me de minim ne de but edin ordinary media no so eye odifo sikadwa. Wakasa na waka ensem bi e de fa ye ma meti wa ene yawsapon eho. Na ensem no kan de ano e din papa. Abusua yebede ababiti nemu no ansa na yebeti ne yemfa we enso so na manager on media no so edin adodo na edefre no the rare ashes manager wababe kasa ono so nsem sei eno kaye edefa ya osapon
omo twimpna na ade ade
ni kosa omo ya na popo omo ti omo asepa omo na ntia over 30 years then you kind of 5 and 6 no ka ope proper 5 and 6 na ya ma me wo fa omo mo ye 5 and 6 pa omo ti omo asie ma me ti omo asie e ka obi on timi baba kwase a na ma me ti wa loyal to the core.
I think no it's asie because wo fa yawo na ni yere ba out say na ma me ti wa man chance man ni hwe time o ya we ni ade ade
and the after so many and something come up and it wasn't factual.
Oh really?
No, it wasn't factual. Factual. I not take a crack. So, and I am mono near factual me. Yama means to be so crack chairman. I don't want to America. You see, I only know one just no matter I call myself. Yeah, on one seven Rebecca, then you say, so, Oma worry, it's just friendship. They just like each other and care for each other because of a Juma no money no yebo. What you say? They sang together. It may be on Kobe and on Kobo. It is Akosua on what to crab.
Wow.
Because you're a programmer, and you think you're we were in the key.
Me who news item be or joy. Almost will confirm Sunday, no. Na banzena afi na yete.
No. We have confirmed Sunday. Na I'm here to confirm Sunday.
Oh. Sir.
Me
won concern page sisiana right up on matron chese only joy for kasaya who confirm say usan
abusuanti eno na onya bia utie no na yenkotie odifo sikadwa ene nsem okan ya one or the other I think say AI misleading yenko na yenkotie odifo
nye superstar nko betu adu na chi sa oye superstar nti ena otu di na chi
okay
what you say nti obebe papa no no hunu se papa no adedie be wo ho no ena oye ya de ho twitwiri papa ya minimum ma hyase ntimi nkoka adebone mfo mo ho ena minim kwa fa so ma ya sapon se ti wa ya epe
okay
eno de me kan bi se ya sapon anya de na ti wa anya de na ma brenya me mesu me be ma ne bia
okay
na sebe empani bu bese dua ben ene etwi enti wanse ya sapon kwa na ti wa de akire ya sapon kwa na ti wa de o ma afia wo hunu na yire
okay
and because of 2
weeks mission grab 2-3 months
na mo ma afia
o ma jayire wo fi
what you say be ma no so kan hu so onye tabo akono no enti o twa na ni a wa hunu obi a awoko wo fie sebe yepe awoko na maria na ya nya portal awoko anto a nya awoko wo fie na ya chene we enti be ma de otime bibia enti obetime afa wo ti wa enti wo yoba papa reason up
okay
dwene kwa chiri se be mai oyire ma pa na me de bone we di no dika bi sa ho sese me na me kunu obi abebata no wo ye ne sei e na menti yemma oba ne biwa yemma na yiri biwa me nka be me dana
papa na sen de koso wiase no kwa koba sesia no team legal wives and team side chicks no koso bebre na wa manfo wale mu wo hwe that Lumba de ya na wo hwe ya sapondie a omunyina ye nwontofo nanso no mo se empranfo no so timi jawale ne kenten omuni asete se ya sapondie
yes enu nti no ombewu saa oh yes ombewu saa bema ewiase yawo bra sa de ekuta ono nim se ye media
okay
wona illegal no obi e de illegal e ba betwe afa legal so e de na ye mra no nso abai media men ka se ye mra na sei nemum eso mo ye review according to that Lumba asemo mo kodi na court yi Maame Akosua Serwaa na ODO BRONII de kodi na court yi
okay
ebia na si asapon ne yere ne tiwadi because em fan santena ebeda abedwasre de
okay
ebe to public domain no ema public ni nyina kan ho asem hwe tiwa ekwaya tiwa fa so a woka asem no onya yire ye jaw na ches work and utimi so obonsire na ni age
ko pe wanka 20 years ni ko ma waka che mkra so ni ho
what you say ya sapona ka che wuti wa se wona na yire ye
eni kra pona ko na yire so ni san komo no
what you say
okay
because of say wo abehemu nti no wo ka asem a che public no se de be ya maame na ni kunu eho aba asem no ye be pam maame no na wo illegal wife no aba yedai wa ba benya akonwa so ayedai atena on se maame ne bie na no dome na no mi bia nso me ka cho se asem bi besi bibi bone besi ade papa besi a eyo odoma nkoma besi a eyo odoma nkoma
okay
what you say obo ade no on na esan busum bia ni chance so okumnipa
okay
tumi bia ni asase so otimi kumnipa
ze busum ka so be kumnipa this ya me
just permission
okay
this was your authority every nyankopon according to our own Bible Job chapter 1 verse 6
okay
Bible say nyankopon emma ene nyamene ne ma ehia enna ka ewo bonsam so be yedai ebepiem according to the scriptures me ko tunu said yete na nyankopon to no bo wase bisa bonsam se ka ewo na hanso
okay
wo bepede yin enipa ntia se se bonsam o honhomone honhompa o munyina ye adwuma ma awrade
okay
omu nyina onyankopon kam
so nya tumi ba ko no
what you say ne nyina tumi ba ko
okay
fisada bia meka se mampani a ote akonwa so wo ye innocent ba ye misa se ho na ma police for na soldier for one adi to mu
eyo mampani
enti se police ni ko okọ civilian mu na civilian take no anasa quite unfortunately BBC na se police ni tutuo na kokum civilian na me pacho civil police ni no tutuo ene aban ho na se de so bo no
aban
nya abaya because abaya wa ma hu kwan what you say the police need to twere no kon ho a ye nkwahye no fi say ya ma ne tumi
okay
ba wo civil to twere kon ho e be kwahye ho ye ma wo tumi enti se police ni kodi bone a ye mfa so de mo police ni no ye the board osoma no because mampani the supreme commander enti according to the Deuteronomy chapter 32 verse 39 onyame asem wose hu no say me awurade me na me kum tie ni o bonsam ntimi nka saa asem obi wose hu say me awurade me na me kum me ma nkwa me pra me sa de obeje afiri me nsam eni ho na se me tenase na me hwe atemum na me se me seka no nyinam na me nsa so atemum a one man me dey say meto won so were
wow
this is Bible enti mpacho hefa na bonsam wakum ni pada bonsam ye innocent unnim Bible no mu di abeka se bonsam ne kum
na se Nyankopon kum ni pada she bonsam de she bonsam
won kum nsha bonsam
ba ni pada de she bonsam
won kum nsha bonsam yen ni yenim Hosea chapter 4 verse 6 was say for lack of knowledge my people perish the son nim dia yen ni enti ne ye dey ye yira hwo Nyankopon te Bible mu according to 1 Thessalonians chapter 5 verse 17 and 18 was say ade nyina mu won fa aseda ma hwan
nyame
enti bonsam timi ko dine bone na Nyankopon age ho aseda ana Deuteronomy 32:39 maka che o say awurade se me na mekum me mankwa me pra me sa do obeje afiri me nsem ni ho ana Isaiah chapter Isaiah bra refi Isaiah can say Isaiah chapter 5 verse 14 and bibisa me refi quotation fa che me nya ho na ma adwen nam o say me awurade me de esumba me sa de han ba o say me na me bo osum me sa me bo han me de amane ba me sa so de asodwe de eba we enu nyina me awurade me na me yo enti ho na de amane ba
nyame
na wan so na de asomdwe nso ba
nyame
enti se amane ba yemfa sobo no kobo hwan
nyame
enti adenti na de ko hye bonsam bonsam okum da bonsam kum da enti wonna enti na wonna adwani society se o ma dwemo bie enti yesu be kan se wo se esumma ne nim nyansa che han ma to wonna ekuta bible ne nim bible no but wonna ekuta bible ne nim bible no enti no mutim bo bra ma na
bible wo mo ntiase
ontiase okurade na ba wontiase dia won kuta ade no otiase understand the system
ensem no e na wonya bi a wote ye no ene ensem a lumba ma no e de abeto abonten no wo betime agyan so akere wadwene e wo comment section wo afei so odifo sikadwa allegations a wodo ne ensem a oka no wo ni sei fa adwen kire no e to comment section wo e ma me ha e ye GH report yes abi share